Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you are watching the week ahead show. And let us discuss what happened in the previous week first, and then we will go on to what we can expect in the coming week. So, previous week, if we look at the charts, the Nifty has ended in the red, is what we are seeing, and definitely Nifty opening almost closing around 1.12 percentage in the red in the previous week. So, not a good day for Nifty. Definitely, this was already. It's turning out to be an evening star sign, but let us see how the markets trend. Whenever we got this candle in the previous week, this was looking like a trend reversal already, and that has exactly happened in the markets. Coming to Bank Nifty closed almost flat. It is slightly higher by almost 100, 200 points, but nothing significant. Still look bearish after Friday's fall, so markets are looking particularly bearish. If you look at the daily charts, you will see that the Bank Nifty is bearish, is an inside candle formation in Bank Nifty and Nifty as well. So definitely markets are not looking pretty strong as of Friday, especially when we come to the US markets. The US markets had already fallen significantly. We already discussed it in the Friday's post-market show, and then the US market could not recover from there, and it fell. So there was no signs of recovery whatsoever in the US markets. So definitely expecting a huge gap down tomorrow. Nifty IT was particularly weak, so the entire last week it was down. Even on Friday there were some signs of recovery, but even that was sold into. Things are looking particularly bearish in case of the IT sector. So next week definitely IT sector will be quite weak, is what we are seeing. Apart from that, coming to other things, we have for the next week, the SGX Nifty is showing almost 200 points gap down. It is at 17,444, and the reason for the fall. This was because of the interest rate hike that the Fed chair has announced in the Jackson Hole Symposium, and that 9-minute speech has wiped out almost $78 billion from the Wall Street. So definitely it is going to be a lot of pain in the markets in the coming days, is what we can expect. So coming to charts, you can see S&P 500 ended 3.3 percentage in the red, huge red candle. Nasdaq down by 4.1 percentage, again huge green red candle. Dow Jones down by 3 percentage. So things are looking very weak for the US markets as of on Friday. So tomorrow expecting everything to be down. Asian markets, Indian markets all included. Huge gap down are on the cards for tomorrow. So I don't think there is any two ways about it. Looking into other things, we have US market VIX increasing 17%. Now it is at 25.5, significantly higher, and you can expect the Indian market VIX to go up as well tomorrow. The crude oil prices are somewhere near it's still above $90, not coming down. It was coming down previously, but it is still above $90 right now. And apart from that, we have the dollar index, which was shooting up very close to its all-time high. Again, it shot up on Friday as well. So again, not a good sign. Markets were looking bearish, and tomorrow's opening will definitely confirm that. Talking about OI activity, Nifty has 17,700 as the highest amount of call build up. On the lower side, 17,000 and 17,500 has too good amount of foot build up, but definitely market opening below 17,500 will lead to a lot of short covering, and this market can go down further because of that. Coming to Bank Nifty, put call ratio is at 0.67. It means markets are even more bearish because a lot of call options had been sold right from 39,500 and above. So 39.5 and 39,000, these are the levels people have sold a lot of call options, and put side 39,000 also has the highest amount of put build up. So definitely a gap down opening can induce further sell off in the markets because of this. And next week there is a holiday on Wednesday because of Ganesh Chaturthi. It's a 4-day trading week, so definitely it's a short week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is holiday, Thursday and Friday, so 4 weeks, and Thursday is the first expiry for the month of September, and September month has been historically pretty volatile and negative, so we have to watch out for that as well. So coming to data, what we can expect, multiple data is going to be announced next week. So starting Monday, we have the AGM, the annual general meeting of Reliance Industries. That starts at 2 p.m. So definitely watch out for the second half in the markets, and depending on Reliance, because it's a Nifty heavyweight, markets can maybe it can go up, go down significantly based on that. So Reliance Industries stocks you can definitely watch out for. Historically, the AGM has been well for Reliance Industries. It has been bullish, and tomorrow maybe if they announce Reliance Jio's IPO, maybe that can be a bullish sign. So definitely look out for the prices of Reliance. So right now, what we feel is it is consolidating at a small region of this is the region it is consolidating. So 2600 on the lower side and 2670 on the higher side. So a very tight range. So market can move, break out or break down from this level. We definitely have to watch out for it, which side the market either breaks down or breaks out from these levels. We definitely have to watch for it. That's Monday. So tomorrow second half is going to be interesting. Coming Tuesday, we have the inflation rate coming in from Germany. Germany has been recently doing quite some noise in the global markets because of it is significantly lower compared to other markets in the European markets, and that has had an effect on the global markets. Apart from that, coming Wednesday, what we can expect is it's a holiday for India. So again, Germany related news. Unemployment rate is coming from Germany. French inflation rate. Then we have the European inflation rate coming in on Wednesday, and Indian GDP growth rate. That's a very important local news coming in next Wednesday. And next Thursday, what we have, Thursday there is the German PMI and European unemployment rate is going to be announced. So these two data to watch out for next Thursday, along with it's the 1st of September and 1st of every month we have the monthly auto sales data. So we have to watch out for that as well, and that will affect the automobile sector as a whole. And on Friday, we have the NFP, that is the non-farm payroll from the US, coming out at 6 p.m. So this is going to be affecting the markets only on next Monday. So these are the things you can watch out in the next week as far as the economic data is concerned. And about the outlook for the next week, definitely things are on the bearish side. We are expecting a huge gap down opening, almost 200 points. But when the Asian markets open tomorrow, we will get a clearer picture. So right off the bat, it's an inside candle, and we know in case of inside candle, if this low is broken, we can expect the markets to fall further, and already we are expecting gap down opening. So for the next week, you can definitely expect 17,000 markets can touch 17,000 on the downside. We have to watch out for that. And first major support should come around 17,220. So definitely watch out for that. And the only way we will be bullish is if the market breaks above 17,700, which is very, very unlikely in the next week. So that is what you can expect for the coming week. Things are definitely on the bearish side. Coming to Bank Nifty, same thing. Things are looking bearish. If 38,000 is broken, we can expect 38,000 to be touched next week itself. If that is broken down, then we can expect even more pain in Bank Nifty. So that is going to be significant. And on the higher side, if 39,400 is broken, then we can expect some kind of positivity. Otherwise, again, I told you it is a bearish sign for the markets. And let us hope how the market bottoms out soon, and the fall, let's see how far the fall happens. But again, we know if you're a long-term investor, these are the opportunities to increase your portfolio size. But again, I'll recommend you to wait for a few weeks and see where the market is going, and then go and invest in your long-term portfolio, because the way markets are falling, and it seems that it is significant, and US economy in particular is not looking strong. And let's see what happens to the entire market. Right now things are bullish, things are very, very bearish, and it will continue to do so until and unless there is some major news or any changes in the economy as a whole. So till then, continue to be on the bearish side. If you can do some FNO positions, if you can hedge and play for a bearish side, then that is definitely going to be helpful. And if you're a long-term investor, I told you these are the times to invest, and wait for markets to close below 200-day moving average. That is the time to add into your portfolio. So as of now, let us see where the markets open tomorrow. That is going to be important. All those will be discussed in tomorrow morning's pre-market show at 8:30 a.m. in morning. So until that time, have a good night and thank you for watching.